If you're like me, you're having difficulty getting your blood pressure cuff connected to the app. Here's how you actually connect it. First of all, make sure that your RENPHO app is completely closed on your iPhone, all right? Then go ahead and take your measurement. So I'm all hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. We're gonna relax and let that go. Do you see that little blinking B up there? That means that we are connected via Bluetooth to my phone. Once it has taken your reading, now go ahead and open up the RENPHO app. But you gotta do it quickly while this reading is still up. See, we open it up like so. Quickly go over and tap the blood pressure up above right there. And now it will synchronize. Now it will only do this while the device is still on, because eventually it's gonna turn off after only about 20 to 30 seconds. So you have to quickly open up your app and get it synchronizing.